As you can see, we removed a good section of the coping here. I specifically wanted to go over this because this coping was able to just be pulled up by hand. And it's because the mortar joints for the coping began to fail. Most likely, you know, and this was a builder grade home, but most likely the guys used a really cheap thin set material. It might have been hot that day, so they mixed it quickly. It started drying before they could actually get the bricks set. But ultimately what it ends up causing is large sections of brick to break away. You can see the thin set stuck to the brick, but it's not stuck to the top of the pool wall where we had a complete failure in the bond of that brick. And that's not uncommon. We can also see that when the paver decking itself starts to move, and that can be caused by gutter not doing its job, water continuing to come off a roof and hit the deck in a certain area, causing a sinkhole, which will press on the coping and cause it to break away as well. But this particular situation was just, in my opinion, poor workmanship, cheap materials, and somebody in a rush to get the job done. If we look over here, where I was talking about before, where you have that failure in the bond on the thin set itself, you can actually see the separation between the tile and the brick there, and that is what I was referring to for the failure in the thin set.